And I'm here to save the day.
Superman! What's up with your costume there, buddy?
It's dry clean only and my mom put it in the dryer. And you think, that's bad? Look what happened to my other suit. Now, do you want me to save you or not?
Oh, absolutely. Please go on right ahead. No! I'm Truth Twister!
This is not gonna look good on my resume. You can't keep me in here. I'm a superhero with superpowers and super good looks. Oh yeah.
Oh, we'll see about that. For these bars are now made with schmiptonite, which causes uncontrollable laughter.
We'll see about that. Help! Help me, please! Help me!
Well, hey, what's going on here?
Oh, nothing. Nothing's going on here. You know,
Because I thought I heard someone calling for help.
Help? Oh, no,
Yeah.
you heard kelp. Kelp, yeah, there's a
Kelp.
big fishing district right here.
I
You
love
wanna
fishing.
Go down I-94,
Right.
And make a left on the Kroger's.
That's a
Left.
right, though. Left,
Yeah,
okay.
there we go. There's nothing going on right here, no.
Okay.
No. No. Fiddlesticks. Foiled again.
Hi there, I'm Jerry the Locksmith.
There, I'm Superman, and I don't know how he trapped me in here. I mean, I'm a superhero. I'm supposed to save other people.
You know what I think you need? I think you need a key.
Of course I need a key. It's a jail. I'm locked in.
Well, no, I'm not talking about just any key. I'm talking about a special key. I'm talking about a promise key.
What's a promise key?
This right here is a promise key, and it says that God saves me. Yeah, and what you need to know is that it doesn't matter whether you're a child or an adult or a superhero, God wants to save you. So why don't you try this key out right here, see how that works for you.
It worked!
That's great!
Here's your key back.
Oh, you hang on to that promise key.
God saves me.